I get people watching me from around the country and around the world, and they ask a lot of questions. One of the questions that often comes up is, does Charlotte get hit by hurricanes? The answer to that coming up. My name is Eli Maggots, and I'm a real estate advisor here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the surrounding areas of Charlotte, North Carolina, including South Carolina, specializing in luxury homes and new home construction. But more importantly, I am your realtor with heart, not trying to sell you a house, but here to help you find a home and a lifestyle that you and your family are going to love and that your family deserves. If you think that you and I are a good fit, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is down below. Not only am I your realtor with heart, but I'm your realtor who's going to stand outside in the pouring rain to do this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And as always, I'm giving away a free online guide that tells you everything about Charlotte. Go ahead and get that. The link is going to be down below or on my website. So Hurricane Ian has just hit Florida and devastated parts of Florida. I hope everybody recovers down there. But what about Charlotte? What's going on here in Charlotte? So it is about 9 a.m. as the hurricane is approaching the coast of South Carolina. The hurricane is slated to hit inland at Myrtle Beach or Charleston and then kind of come inland. So what does that mean for Charlotte? Charlotte is 3.5 to 4 hours away from Charleston, about 3 hours from Myrtle Beach. Typically when a hurricane hits the United States, either in Florida, Louisiana, Texas, either it comes up the coast or it goes through land. Since we are far from the coast and we are kind of inland from like Louisiana and Texas, and it hits all those other states in between before it hits Charlotte, everything tends to weaken. We usually end up with what you can see now is rain and wind. They're anticipating 3 inches or 5 inches of rain. We shall see. This storm is not slated to hit the coast of South Carolina until about 12 or 1 o'clock this afternoon. So as time goes on, I'm going to continue to show you what the conditions do. Right now, it's 8:45 in the morning. You can see it's raining. It's not too heavy. Schools have gone to virtual today in anticipation of potential problems. But that is about the only thing that has changed so far. Right now, where I am, there's no flooding. You can see some of the trees going back and forth, and we do have electricity. So typically Charlotte does not get hit by hurricanes. We will get the remnants of a hurricane. It may be just wind and rain. It may be tropical storm type winds, 30 or 40 miles an hour. We do have a large tree canopy, so some trees may fall down in certain parts of Charlotte and knock out some of the power. But so far, so good. I'm in front of my house, and I will keep you guys updated. Typically, as far as severe weather is concerned, Charlotte is never really in the middle of severe weather. Hurricanes usually die out by the time they get here. As far as winter's concerned, snow, we get an inch or two, maybe once or twice a year. Place shuts down, then it melts. So weather-wise, we are pretty much free from any really major disastrous weather occurrences. Hurricanes, earthquakes, snowstorms, pretty safe area to live. So everyone, I am back with an update. It's about 3.5 hours since I was last out here. Can you feel a little bit of gust of wind? Actually, you can hear it more than actually feel it. You know, like I can make believe that I'm being blown, but I'm not being blown at all. I'm thinking maybe I should get a job on the Weather Channel. What's that look like? So that's the hurricane so far, or the tropical storm or below tropical storm. here in Charlotte right now at 12 o'clock. Big gust of wind right now. A couple of my dear friends who are enjoying the weather as well, as I am. So I'm back for another update. It is now 4 p.m. The hurricane slash tropical storm now, soon to be a tropical depression, has come onshore at Myrtle Beach, probably about an hour and a half ago. Here in Charlotte, you can see it's still raining. It's actually raining a little bit heavier than it was before. Wind, actually a little bit less than it was before. Now we're getting into some heavy rain. Now I'm really applying for a job at the Weather Channel. Thank goodness I have this. Nice and smooth over here. Water just kind of falls right on off. So this is pretty typical of when we get a hurricane here in Charlotte. It's not really a hurricane, more of just the remnants. So frankly, this is about as bad as it's going to get here in Charlotte. You've got rain, you've got some wind, nothing crazy. So if you're looking to make a move to Charlotte, looking for a luxury home in a luxury neighborhood, looking to build a luxury home in a luxury neighborhood, or looking for a custom home, and if you think we are a good fit, don't be afraid of the hurricanes. Feel free to reach out. I would love to hear from you, and I'd love to help. Thank you so much for watching. Until we see each other again next time.